What's the meaning of buyer? Buyer. Buyer.
Buyer. Buyer. The term buyer refers to an individual or organization that acquires a product or service from a vendor in exchange for payment. Buyers are an essential part of any economy since they are the ones who create demand for goods and services, which in turn drives production. The buying process involves several stages, including identifying the need for a product or service, researching available options, choosing the most suitable one, and negotiating the terms of the transaction. Successful buyers are skilled at analyzing and comparing products, negotiating prices, and building long-term relationships with vendors. In short, a buyer is a key player in the market who drives the exchange of goods and services.